Yeah, hi, it's Simon at Norwich Camping, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Alexander Rose 3.5 metre cantilever parasol. Now this 3.5 metre parasol is actually the size of the diameter of the actual canopy, which I'll show you in a minute. This parasol comes on a 90 kilo wheeled base. Now it's got the lockable casters on the 90 kilo base, so when you're not wheeling it around the patio into the right position, then you obviously just lock them off and it stops any movement on there. 90 kilos, so there's plenty of weight on the bottom of this parasol. Now the 3.5 metre parasol comes in two colours. It's available in the charcoal grey and a taupe colour as well. It's what we call a cantilever parasol, which basically means it goes up and down on the stem. Now this is sort of like the storage way, the way we store the parasol. As you can see, it's got the piece of material here that velcros at the back, so it's nice and neat into the stem. And then every Alexander Rose parasol comes with what we call a night cover. Now the night cover basically is the cover that goes over it when you're not using it. As you can see, they're always a little bit difficult to cover over, so what they do, they give you the extension pole here so that you literally put that inside the cover and hook it over to store it when you're not using it. So every one of those comes with a parasol cantilever parasol cover. Now I'm just going to show you how to operate the parasol. So if the sun's out, it's nice and warm, and we're going to put the parasol up. So I would obviously loosen off the tie there. Then basically what we've got here, this is the multi-position stem. So there's about 7 or 8 positions on here. So I would literally wind the parasol up, push the parasol up. We'll just lock it off about halfway there so we can show you what we're doing. Now there's the handle here, so the ratchet handle, literally we'll wind the handle clockwise, and if Steve just zooms back as I'm doing it, as you can see, it opens up the cantilever. So this is the 3.5 model, so it's going to give you maximum shade. We'll just put it in the top position, so that is like the level off position, so that's when the sun's directly above your furniture and your patio. That's going to give you the maximum shade underneath. This parasol also has got a 360-degree rotating base. So if you just zoom in here, Steve, you can see we've got the foot pedal at the bottom. Literally push your foot on there and you can rotate the parasol stem all the way around. And as you can see, that gives you the maximum flexibility to cover your patio area. So if the sun moves round, and as it moves round, you can also change the angle, which can then obviously give you as much shade as possible. Now we hold all these parasols in stock. They're available for immediate delivery. There are certain restrictions on some of the 90 kilo bases. Please check our website for the current details. Any more questions, or come and have a look. We've got a great range of parasols on display. Have a look at the website, norwichcamping.co.uk. Give us a call or pop into store.